Hello, today I would like to talk about this. This is eyelash glue and I like to use it as the falsies glue. So if you have fake eyelashes and you want to put them on, I usually like to use this glue instead of actual regular glue for the eyelashes. This is specifically pretty much known to be for your eyelids. It's pretty much glue for your eyelids, so it forms that eyelid shape for those monolid eyes, but I specifically use it for eyelash glue. Pretty much this eyelash glue is pretty much like the eyelid tape that I talked about before, like this one, where you put this on your eyelids and it forms the eyelid shape. But this one, you put the glue instead on your eye. This is how the packaging looks like. It's very small, maybe not too big, everything. Here's the directions on how to use it. And the back, well, where it's made, expires in 3 years, all that information. Pretty much everything here is the translation down here. And then the side, I'm not sure what that means, but it's a barcode and maybe a phone number. Or open this packaging. This is how the bottle or little container looks like. It looks like a mascara, pretty much like a small tiny mascara. It's very small, as you can see, maybe like the size, similar size as my finger. And once you open it, if you can see, it's like glue. It's like eyelash glue pretty much. And then the tip is very thin, as you can see here. There you go, it's focusing. And it's very sticky, and what I like about this is it literally sticks onto your eyelashes. If you need secure eyelashes, this is a great option. Comes with this white pick or toothpick, I don't know what you call it. Comes with this, where then you could shape it with your eye. And if you like to see the color, here's a swatch that I can do. Sorry, I've used this many times, so it's kind of dirty, but it literally looks like eyeliner. As you can tell right here. And it blends really well with your regular eyeliner and the eyelashes because they are black. Pretty much stays on for a good while. The name of this brand is called Darkness, as you can see right here, and this is a Korean brand. If you look in the description box below, you can see more detailed information on how much the price is. The one that I have right now is the black one. They also do have a clear white glue, and a lot of people use that mostly because it's not more noticeable, but this one in particular, I like using this black one because it matches and blends in with my black eyeliner. A relatable eyelash glue would be the Duo. It's pretty well known, but I feel that this is better. It's a lot more stronger, and literally I just apply it once and my fake false eyelashes never come off. So I do highly suggest this brand for if you do need eyelash glue. I do highly suggest when you do take it off, because it's so strong, the glue, you should use the Neutrogena makeup remover because that pretty much gets everything off. So if you do plan to use this type of eyelash glue, then make sure to buy the Neutrogena makeup remover. I believe this is a great gift that you can give to your friends, and it's very compact. It literally fits in any small pocket in your purse and it doesn't take up too much room, so that's great about this product. Thanks again for watching. I hope this was useful. If you have any questions or comments, please make sure in the description box below, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye.